Do you know acids and bases behave differently only because of ions? Today I'll explain Arrhenius concept in the easiest way. Let's start with the Arrhenius concept. It explains what makes a substance an acid or a base. An Arrhenius acid is a substance that releases H-positive ions in water. For example, HCl splits into H+ and Cl in water. That's why it's an acid. Do you know that some acids are completely ionized and some acids are partially ionized in water? Those acids which are completely ionized in water are strong acids, like HCl and sulfuric acid. And those acids which are not completely ionized in water are the weak acids, like acetic acid. Now we will discuss about Arrhenius bases. Those substances which produce OH negative ions in water are called bases. For example, sodium hydroxide produce OH negative ions in water, so it is a base. Like acids, some bases are completely ionized in water, and some bases are partially ionized. Those bases which are completely ionized in water are called strong bases. For example, sodium hydroxide. Those bases which are not completely ionized in water are called weak bases. For example, ammonium hydroxide. He also explained neutralization reaction. The reaction between acids and bases to make salt and water is neutralization reaction. This concept was limited by some drawbacks and was not considered as a universal concept about acids and bases. This concept was only explaining those acids which release H-positive ions, but not other acids like carbon dioxide. Secondly, this concept was unable to explain those bases which cannot release OH negative ions like calcium oxide. This concept was explaining dissociation of acids and bases only in water, but it was unable to explain non-aqueous media.
Dear viewers, please subscribe to my channel, Star Academy Lalian, and like and share my videos.